Good evening, ma'am. Today I'm going to explain my data web technology fifth experiment, and as we are seeing, this is the output which we are going to execute, and this is my program. In this, the title is given as image, and here we are seeing the image, and in this body tag we are giving the string as largest string. As you are seeing, in the input type we are giving as text, placeholder option as hello, and it has click me it will give your answer is idea.s1. what we gave in this, we'll get the answer here. So if we are doing, we are typing as Vidya, we'll get the answer here. And in the second thing, script type is equal to text or JavaScript. This may be JavaScript or text. In this function, variable string equal to document.getElement by id of t1. T1, from the element T1 we'll get the value, and it is splitted up into a string dot split. The string is splitting variable 1 equal to 0, variable I equal to I less than length. If length is less than maximum, it is showing the function. And the next thing is variable heading as BMI. In this, weight is given, height is given, and the input type button also given. In this, the placeholder option is also given. BMI, we have to enter our weight and height in this, and the BMI is calculated. For example, weight is 56 and height is 5. It will calculate the underweight option. So the another JavaScript is given here. If for calculating the BMI, the operation is given here, weight by height into height. If BMI is less than 18, dot get element by id s2 dot inner html BMI plus underweight. BMI greater than 18, BMI greater than 25 or 30. If the age is greater than 25 or 30, it is given as S2 or S3. Then the another thing is flower garden, as given heading as flower garden. In this, we have to input type is flower garden. This is given, and its id as garden is given. For this, we have to, if we click the button as plan the garden, it will show the types of images which we are attached in this flower 1, flower 2, etc. As a sequence, in this. So we are getting here. So row is partially int of document, and row column etc. is given here, and the mathflow dot random, it is arranged randomly for the given row. And another script is given here for calculating weight converter. So weight converter is here, and we are getting the indexes 0 and index 0 to 1, 0 equal to 1, and 1 to 0 and 1 to 1 function. For that, the corresponding code is given, and the height weight converter is also, we are seeing that web page. For that, we have to create a column and IDs, etc. And another thing is toss a coin. If the coin is tossed, a flip button is created and head and tail button is created, and we are using a switch case in this for the function flip for height math for 2 dot math dot random case 0 case 1 and break button. And script and heading is closed. And again, the another thing is pizza order for form, which is there in the website. So we have created for small medium pizzas, and the radio buttons are created for the tips for 10%, 20%, etc. is created. And the cost of order, so if we want to calculate the cost, we can give, so variable total 100, 200 and 400 tip is given, and we can get the corresponding output. So here I am going to run my output. So flower garden, I have given my rows as 3 and columns as 1. So if I plant my garden, I'll give as 3 rows and 1 column. 3 rows and 1 column is created, and the weight converter is 23 from kilogram to length. Length LB is calculated. The amount is given here. The amount is given here, and the toss coin is also given. And the pizza order form, for small pizzas we have to write, given some uh, how many number of pizza we have to give, and the tips for 10%, and the calculated order we'll get 1210 as our cost, total cost. And this is my fifth experiment.